Sa kaugnay na balita, inaasahang ibayo pang uunlad ang ugnayan ng Pilipinas at Spain sa larangan ng politika, palakasan, edukasyon at kultura. Kasama rin dito ang pagtutulungan ng dalawang bansa sa pagsugpo sa transnational crimes. Nagbabalik si Rocky Ignacio.
Sa paglipas ng daang taon na natili ang magandang relasyon ng Pilipinas at Espanya, naipakitang matibay na ugnayan sa larangan ng politika, pampalakasan, edukasyon at kultura na inaasahang ibayo pang lalakas sa pagdalaw ni Pangulong Aquino sa bansa.
Relations are not only limited to the political side, but including the cultural, the educational, the sports. All of these factors, all of these sectors are increasing and increasing. And that's part of what we are doing here in Madrid, reinforcing, increasing, raising the bilateral relations with Spain.
Partikular na dito ang tulungan para sa pagsugpo sa transnational crimes ng Pilipinas at Spain. May 44,000 Pilipino ang nakatira sa Spain. May kasunduan rin ang dalawang bansa sa pagpapalakas ng edukasyon sa pamamagitan ng student and teacher exchange, kasama na rin ng sports.
Also has programs for scholarships for Filipinos to come here and do their master's degree in Spanish. So on the overall, we are working very closely with Spain on education. Likewise now, if we talk of sports, again, we have agreements with Spain concerning sports, and we are now working, and very soon, we hope to be able to have a MOU between a private sector and a company in Spain for the introduction and development of a sustainable football project in the Philippines that will hopefully culminate in a football sports college.
Bukod dito, nagpapakita na rin ang iba pang talento ang mga Pilipino sa larangan ng fabric.
The Philippines would be the window to Southeast Asia. And conversely, that Spain would be the gateway for the Philippines to Latin America.
Para sa Telebisyon ng Bayan, Rocky Ignacio, Madrid, Spain.